Welcome to Dragon Value Home. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let me tell you about what's going to happen today. We're going to talk about inventory. That's right. That thing that you keep shoving in your closet, putting in the back of your car, placing it wherever you have an extra piece of space in your home or not, or somewhere else. But let's go ahead and see if we can't wrangle that in some, because you know what? I did a few things and I find that it's very helpful. So I hope this video brings you value and also an opportunity for you to get started. It's my intention to help you learn what not to do and avoid some of the pitfalls of inventory like I have done in the past. I promise you, I've done some weird things just to find things, and oh my gosh, I'll be honest, I've even had to tell people, hey, I can't find it. That sucks. Unfortunately, or rather fortunately for me, I had some really good customers that were understanding and just like me, trying to start off in the business. So it was eye-opening and also an opportunity for me to learn more. So with that being said, I want to show you that a good foundation is an opportunity to do well and do better within your business. There's never been a better time right now than to get your inventory squared away. Yeah, I know this is Q4 and you've got a lot of things going on and lots of sales and everything going on with the holidays and everything. But, with COVID and myself and my particular situation, I just decided to take this opportunity to ferret out some of the kinks that I have made or I have continued to make, and lessen those and just put systems in place that are going to help be able to provide a better service and then also opportunities to sell more. This in turn will help find more time to spend with family and still do the things I enjoy, and that's treasure hunting. Okay, obviously you have to create a storage space, right? So you're going to have to set up some kind of opportunity for you to store items, whether it be in bins or on hangers, so that you can get your inventory in a place where you can get to it. All right, let's start with the basics, okay? You can start with putting a bin number in your description, or if you have a store, you can use a custom SKU feature. Is really easy to use and the customers can't see that. On the other flip side, if you do not have a store, well, they can see that, so it will be a part of your description. But you'll be able to see it too and be able to track your inventory more efficiently. The item itself. Now, what I have seen is that people are putting them in clear plastic bags and then marking on them the bin number and the SKU number so that it can be found readily, very fast. And also using a clothespin that can be reused with the SKU number on it. So when you finish selling that item, you can just put it in a box and then go ahead and reuse it and put it back on a new item. Just remember that when you start a system like this, this is an opportunity for you to scale up and make yourself more efficient and profitable. Okay, now I'm going to show you the before and after, what my storage space looks like now since I've implemented these processes. And you know what? I have a long way to go. You know what? And it's a process, it's a learning curve, it's all that stuff all together, right? But you know what? I am working at it diligently, just trying to do one thing at a time and get better each day. As you can see, I had a lot of things just strewn all over this storage area. And I really needed to get this organized so that I could be more efficient with my time, so that I can do the things that I really like to do after cleaning out the space and all of that and building a rack and some boxes to use as storage. It seems to be a lot better now. You know what? It didn't take me as long as I thought it would to put together this rack and these boxes, so I'm quite pleased with that. As you can see, I just started my numbering system. And so, with this, I will refine it and do better and be a little bit more advantageous with how I do all of this. But I did want to show this and share this with you, and I hope you found some value. Like this video, and down in the comments, let me know what works for you. I really want to know, what kind of system do you use to manage your inventory? And with that being said, I do have more videos that will help you on your journey to making profit on eBay.